Welcome to another video. Given that 4 raised to x minus 2 is equals to 40, we are told to find the value of x. So I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution. So if you're watching us for the first time, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment. So on the solution part, I have 4 raised to x minus 2 is equals to 40. You need to recall that wherever you have a raised to m minus n, then this type of index can be separated as a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So when the powers are subtracted, then this is what we're going to do. Applying that here, end up with 4 raised to x divided by 4 raised to 2 should give me 40. So well, at this stage, I'm gonna cross multiply, and when you cross multiply, you get 4 raised to x times 1, get 4 raised to x should be equals to 4 raised to 2 multiplied by 40. Next step, the x is unknown, so I'm gonna introduce the logs on both sides so that I have the log of 4 raised to x should be equals to the log of 4 raised to 2 multiplied by 40. Then this x can come down as x to the log of 4 should be equals to the log of 40, the log of 4 squared multiplied by 40 like that. So I'm going to divide all through by the log of 4 so that I end up with the value of x now is equals to, but recall that whenever you're multiplying the two numbers with the same log or the same base, this can be separated by adding. So I'm going to separate this as the log of 4 squared plus the log of 40. Of course, everything is divided by the log of 4. The log of 4 like that. Well, at this stage, 2 can come down. And then I'm going to express 40 as 4 times 10. 40 can be written as 4 times 10. So that I end up with now x is equals to 2 to the log of 4 divided by the log of 4 plus, wherever I have 40, I'm going to rewrite it as the log of 4 plus the log of 10, because 10 times 40 is 10 times 4 is 40, divided by a single denominator, log 4 over log 4. So guys, when I simplify this, I'm going to end up with x now is equals to, I'm going to get there 2 plus, of course, when you cancel log 4 and log 4, you're going to get 1 plus the log of 10 divided by the log of 4. Simplifying it again, I'm going to get 3 plus, I know 10 can be written as 5 times 2, and also 4 can be written as 2 times 2. So applying that at this particular point, I'm going to get the log of 2 plus the log of 5 divided by the log of 2 squared. Of course, 2 squared is 4, which can be rewritten again as x is equals to 3 plus the log of 2 I'm going to separate this under one denominator. Divide by the 2 to the log of 2 plus the log of 5. Divide by 2 to the log of 2. Now x becomes 3 plus, when I divide this, I'm going to get a half plus the log of 5. Of course, I have a half, and then 2 can come here as the base, since if you have the log of a divided by the log of b, this is same as getting the log of a to the base b. So adding all this together, I end up with my final solution for x is equals to, I'm going to get 3.5 plus a half to the log of 5 to the base 2, which can be rewritten as 7/2 plus a half to the log of 5 base 2 as my final value of x, which when I simplify or compute this in my scientific calculator, this value is approximately equals to 4.661. So let us go ahead and verify if indeed the value of x is equals to 7/2 plus a half to the log of 5 base 2. I had 4 raised to x minus 2 is equals to 40. So wherever I have x, I'm going to substitute all of this as 4 raised to bracket 7/2 plus a half to the log of 5 base 2 minus 2. It should give me 40. So guys, if you're still watching us, kindly comment, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. So at this stage, I'm going to open this bracket using the base as 4 raised to power 7/2. Multiply, of course, the powers are added, so multiply by 4 raised to power a half to the log of 5 base 2. When I subtract, meaning I'm going to divide 4 raised to 2 like that, should give me 40. Next step, I'm going to write 4 to be as 2 squared, meaning that this is going to be equals to 2 raised to 2. In bracket, I have 7/2. Multiply by 2 raised to 2. In bracket, I have a half to the log of 5 base 2. And of course, down, I'm going to end up with 2 raised to 2. And outside, I have 2, giving me 40. I'm going to simplify this. 2 and 2 going to cancel, and then I'm going to remain with 2 raised to 7. Multiply by this and this cancels. Multiply by the 2 to the log of 5 base 2. And then outside, if I have a raised to m, this can be expanded as a raised to m multiplied by n. So I'm going to apply that here as 2 raised to power 4, giving me 40. You also need to recall again that wherever you have a raised to the log of b to the base of a, this automatically changes to b, meaning that applying that here, I'm going to end up with 2 raised to 7 multiplied by 5. The base and the base are equal. Divide by 2 raised to 4 should give me 40. Next step, I have 2 raised to 7 and 2 raised to 4. So This can be simplified as 2 raised to power 7 minus 4. Since the bases are the same, so we subtract the powers. Multiply by 5 is equals to 40. 7 minus 4, of course, you get 2 raised to 3. Multiply by 5 is equals to 40. And of course, 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 times 5, giving me 40. And of course, 40 is equals to 40. Hence, the proof for our answer. So until we meet again in the next video, goodbye for now, and remember to subscribe and like this video.